Well, bands again lot han armsa.
No, Martin, on Desha happy.
So I got a strange DM on Instagram last autumn. It was about a game show in Gaelic where I could win up to 5,000 euros if I won. Naturally, I ignored it, thinking it was a scam. A couple weeks later, I got another message from somebody else. Turns out it's a real show based on a Welsh game show, Dice, on S4C, which is like the TG Cehi of Wales.
Ydy'r Dice sydd yn gyfuniad o wybodaeth cyffredin.
It turns out it's cheaper to fly a bunch of Irish people from Belfast and Dublin over to Cardiff than it is to create your own game show studio in Galway or Dublin or wherever else you might have something like this. So with the prospect of a free trip to Wales in hand, I convinced my friend Liam to join me in the pursuit of 5,000 euro on a Gaelic game show. Rock. Hanna me tusa gravel and ceir. The Jammer. No, ní Russian rock. Laugh for get through. Arkham parking lot. This is Galante. Concrete plant that already can try some boher. Rhinos. Tamid you find it could get in studio. And just you argue you bioga yan on this.
Agalu?
Aye, a while it yan.
Oh yeah, think about it first. Did the great Airmaret?
Ah, that's right. I'll do Ken Panama tot.
And this?
Aye.
A
Panama tot, the hood janum.
Oh, yeah, especially I'm not going to reach it.
Alright.
It's Mitchell Scotland, man.
Alright.
It's doing an alma.
Kitchen now.
This is Ballad Croward. This should take me to Carry Garden. Ruskyle. I guess that's sketchy mini arms and I should go there in Clara because they will go. You must be more alligator.
Oh, Ken Killer Clark, because I thought to Jan and you.
Tamago Yanu and Douche, like TG Carr.
Right.
I guess Tamag Sabrat and Vic. I had anything to go, which Sabrat and Vic, like Clara Yanu.
Aye.
Shin dies, we must start the match.
Over the Biela gets a while of interesting camera.
Just the hood of them go now. Fuck, I'll land the alley, get the other. This is not scoring camera.
Right. So the filming worked like this. They brought over 60 contestants from Ireland. There were 3 teams of 2 in each episode and 10 episodes. They did all the filming over a period of 3 days. So we were filming these episodes back to back to back. So the host was changing her outfit every single hour just to make it feel like a different day for the viewer back home. The studio looks great on television, but in reality, we're in a warehouse on the outskirts of Cardiff, and everything on set is just plastic and lights.
A chóirde gael bhfuair 10,000 fáisteach ag a deis. An cluife an bhfuil fis scill agus á a tastal. Tá cluife seo in an iompú mar sin. Mar reice sib ball. So le gurm tús leis a cluife. Couldn't we Dana, or good imrori agus bhfuair 10,000 fáisteach.
Liam and I were facing off against a brother and sister duo from Cork and a father-daughter pair from Dublin.
Agus Liam agus Ryan, tá an scéal tan seo duchreiter bhealach, so gui is that Liam tá lochtart sa lug bhfuil Ryan boch techi as Boston.
Tá lot.
Well, hanna. So cé a hála?
Well, bands again lot han arms.
Oh, right, yes, agus cara lati.
Sure, we much a cholesterol here.
So we should be too learn of the matchmaking, right?
The nish case yet do some this.
Agus Ryan, I thought a check you honey to us Boston a cur food no no martian.
Well, I do had to make a schlegger and be made to work yet because be my one here we should go a bit by schlegger can chin. I guess in this damage you do now, I guess. Hanig she rice get skull but that she go by my muncher and this.
It is a cat to Winchellin. Give it bleeding husband is a fallen gaelge.
Pager, Nisagum, Pager, yeah, Blaine,
Duchreite?
Well, ni hig lumps of leaf, na screed, no.
Come on.
Can't
But do not be loud.
Is how thick.
Yeah. Ínta, chaise go múntar ínta mai de bhain chéilesa.
Á cinse.
Cínta, yes. Well, we're géad fáilte tá masúl go mór leis a glóir seo ach tá se námanis an deis a hapú. Sa chéad bhhailta ná cosán na gceist a hailsiú. Agus tá 8 géim 10 le lasa chuan chosán. Agus brachan loch na gceist na díiste. An chéad iran a bhrúna crappa a ána deis an freagra a hort. Mor a bhfuil agra crín bacht tú her deis go na fórníile í agart. An chéad dá iran a lasan na gosán a bhain go bór go thuisiad san aráid go dtíon darna bauta. Ach gon té tá sa tríú háit, well, sé cosán na bháile atá námhaid farir. Mera na crappi lehar de lei tá se námanis na díslí cha.
So right off the bat, we all just got smoked by this dad from Dublin.
Leonardo da Vinci. WB8. Brian Merriman.
Ceap. Tá Pádraig agus Ashton go siad go dtíon darna bauta.
So it was now a 2-team race to survive for the next round.
Céim baile I gundé chorcaí inar stop an Titanic gon úr gearnach. Liam agus Ryan.
Queenstown or Cove.
Ceart. Tá siad tá siad tusaí, má go leor, ag an saora, come on. Tá crappa. Céimhéad centimeter atá a méadar a bháin. Ag an agus saora.
Céad.
Ceart. Tá siad tusaí. Is fiú 8 géim an cheist seo. Céan bana in rá Nicky Byrne, Shane Phelan agus Cian. Ag an agus saora.
Westlife.
Ceart.
So at this point, our backs are up against the wall. If the other team gets another question right, we go home.
Is fiú 7 géimí seo ag an agus saora chiúach se seo go ceann scríbise. Seo dtíon cheist. Céan úrlis ceol atá chúl wín na héan. Liam agus Ryan.
Clarsha.
Ceart.
At this point, the next person to answer a question correctly advances. As you can tell by now, the questions actually aren't that hard for the most part. It's just being able to understand what she's saying and click the button the fastest.
Tád a thoisian an taonad ólaíochta Kelvin. Ag an agus saora.
Like, didn't she talk there choked?
Ceart. Har céanna lug tá ag an agus saora Pádraig agus Ashton go siad go dtíon darna bauta. Liam agus Ryan. Níl muid gur slán arálib ach cá muid slán ága le í farir. Gur míle mágí socht a bhelin.
So sin Virginia har war hudge 15 minutes of fame níos fadín na cool bommichin na riggin ach crack mahivi an the scaravi. Tom and Shell Liam. Cut the Harlan
You know, there are a while.
Aye.
She said a crap picture.
And the bow image.
You're with much now. Tar Baki falling to get onto.
Aye, right.
Be crack again, I guess.
I'll be cracking in your kinship.
Because we need Ura or in I'm a dice.
Aye, you're did a clishtig and much linear.
Oh, the
Ah, kinship.
Yeah. But we should buy again up here.
Right. I'm not too able to bless the Hishkin test and presenter.
And put this more just
Which of us? I'll be make it a get over wall.
I think they're conscious and then they'll be with vacation to this and that kitchen is a guys to be reduced. Okay, look on the Mara, okay, this so I can just check about it.
Aye.
Ashton.
So there you have it, folks. I didn't answer any questions. Only knew the answer to one that Liam got anyways, but I don't think I embarrassed myself too badly, and it was kind of fun. So there you have it.